Hello guys, welcome back. At present, we only provide BMW i3 battery module kit. That means you will need to reuse your original BMW i3 battery case. So before installing the new modules, the first and most important step is remove the original BMW i3 battery from this case. So please follow us. We will get you how to disassemble the original BMW i3 battery pack. Okay, let's get started. These labels will be shipped you together with the shipment as accessories. Using an S2T30 socket to remove the screws located at the edge of the battery case. You can use an electric wrench to remove the screws here, which is faster and more convenient. And still use the S2T30 socket with a manual wrench to remove the screws in the middle of the battery case. Now the battery case cover can be removed. Next, remove the thermal layer. Some original packs have this layer, but some others don't have this. Still use the S2T30 socket to disassemble the mounting screws of the SME. Disconnect the all signal wires from the SME. Okay, the SME has been removed. Now disconnect the all power cables for the all modules. First, disconnect the power cables from the rear of the battery module. Then disconnect the other power cables for the other modules. Using the 10mm socket to remove the fixture screws between all modules. You can use electric wrench to remove these screws. Then put the labels on each module. Please stick the labels to the modules according to the diagram. There are 8 modules in total, so total of 8 labels accordingly. Start to remove the CSC signal plug from each module. Begin with the rear modules and label each signal plug accordingly. The label on the CSC signal plug must correspond to the label on the modules. Remove the original car low voltage signal harness. Now remove the CAC from each module. After removing each CAC, please label it according to the label on the module. The label on the CAC and the label on the modules should be matched. Because each CAC signal plug should be installed in its original position. Use the 10mm socket to remove the mounting screws from each module. Now we lift the modules from the battery pack one by one and place them onto the bayonet. We will ship these two lifting ropes to you as accessories to make it easy for you to remove the modules. Okay, all modules have been removed. Next, remove the power cable at the rear of the battery case. We will need to reuse this power cable when installing the new battery module, so please keep it safely. Okay, now the battery case is emptied and it's ready for installing the new modules. Please make sure there is nothing left inside the empty battery case.